Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. This is the Python Mentor here, helping you master Python step by step. So in this lecture here, what I want to show you guys is a final piece of this puzzle here, data encapsulation. We are doing some data encapsulation here, but not as clear as I will make it right now. So in this department here, right below the add employee, let's go ahead and create a method here to show the total salary, okay? And this here, all we have to do here is some calculations. So let's go ahead and put all of this into this function sum, and we're gonna grab the employee, okay? And that employee would be coming from, all right. Let's go ahead. We got to loop through it and get it out. All right. So yeah, let's do the employer salary. Let's get that out. Emp salary. We're just creating this. I'm just being OCD about this. So we're gonna say emp, and we gotta get it from the list of employees, right? The collection, and we'll just go ahead and add it. Combine it with manager here. So once we combine it, what we can do is return it. So total, just like that, okay? Simple as that. And all we have to do now is go down here somewhere. Let's see what I got. I got work, we're showing the team, the list of members. And here, let's do some print statement here. We can do that. We don't have to complicate ourselves with this, right? Guys, this is very important that you guys follow up with every lecture, even if it looks silly. You never know what I'm going to show you, okay? I'm always putting stuff that I'm going to show you in the title of the lectures, but sometimes I go a little bit overboard and show you some really cool tricks, right? You guys have learned a lot so far if you're following this list. So what we're going to do is payroll here. So I'm trying to spell it correctly here. Payroll. All right. And we're just gonna get it from tech dot department. As a matter of fact, I don't even know if I have the tech department. I don't even know if I have that. No, I do not. I have, all right, I do have tech right here. I have that department. All right. So total salary. Sorry about that. And I'm going to format this into 2 decimal places, just like that. All right. And here we are done with this, and we're gonna go jump into the next crazy project, and I will leave this link in the description. We're gonna create a project that's gonna take this to another level. Not this, but something else. And that's a big surprise for you guys. So make sure that you click on that link in the description. So there we go. Boom, final review, complete. OOP, object-oriented programming concepts, master. And voila, look at that, total monthly payroll, $15,800. We gotta come up so we can pay all these people, right? What if I add somebody else? Let's see. What if I add, let's go ahead and add developer 3 here, right? Another developer. And let's call this guy, I don't know, Rahul, just like that. And Rahul is a Python developer, of course. Python developer. All right, and this guy is making a lot more money because Rahul has a bunch of experience. He has gone through all the courses of the Python Mentor on YouTube, and now he's making $15,000 a month. Yes, you can do that. Now let's go ahead and boom. And you can see the total monthly payroll here is only $15,800. Let's go here. Actually, we just creating the object here. We have to add it, right? So let's go ahead and add it to the team. Boom. Right? Let's go ahead and add it to add the employee actually to the department. That's where we're gonna get this stuff working. properly. And yeah, that's about it. Let me just go ahead and do developer number 3 here as well. And voila. All right, let's do that now. And now we do need a budget of $30,800. All right, you can see that Rahul is coding as a Python developer. He's on the team, actually. You can see that here. He's making $15,000 a month, which is crazy. Rahul is a master in Python. All righty. Yeah, you can see that here. Rahul was actually added to the technology department. Good stuff, guys. I think this is a really cool application to learn some of these things. And we did some data encapsulation here. So you can see we are getting some of this stuff out from here that it's not available anywhere unless we get it out, right? Cool stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you liked this lesson and like all my videos and watch them, guys. You support the channel like that. If you're not sending money via Patreon or anything like that, I'm not asking, but if you're not doing that, the least you can do is like the video, right? And share it. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next lectures or the next course.